Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the best breakfast to kickstart your metabolism and keep you energized throughout the day. Listen, you wouldn't expect a Ferrari to run on fumes, would you? Your body's the same way. We're talking premium fuel, top-notch ingredients to get that metabolism firing on all cylinders. Get ready to ditch the sugary cereals and embrace a breakfast of champions. First up, we've got Greek yogurt with berries. Now, this isn't your average bland yogurt, no. We're talking thick, creamy Greek yogurt, packed with protein to keep those hunger pangs at bay. Protein, you see, is the building block of muscle, and it takes more energy for your body to break it down. That means your metabolism gets a nice little boost right from the start. Now, we're not stopping there. We're adding a handful of fresh berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, whatever you fancy. They're like nature's candy, bursting with flavor and antioxidants. Antioxidants are your secret weapon against those nasty free radicals that can damage your cells and slow down your metabolism. So you're getting a double whammy of goodness in every bite. Next on our list is a classic with a twist, oatmeal with chia seeds. Now I know what you're thinking. Oatmeal? That's boring. But hold your horses because this isn't your grandma's oatmeal. We're talking about steel-cut oats or rolled oats, none of that instant rubbish. It's packed with fiber, which is like a broom for your digestive system, sweeping out all the toxins and keeping things moving smoothly. And because fiber takes longer to digest, it keeps you feeling fuller for longer, so you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks between meals. But here's the kicker. We're adding chia seeds to the mix. These tiny powerhouses are like the marathon runners of the seed world, packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are like the WD-40 of your body, lubricating your joints, reducing inflammation, and even giving your metabolism a little nudge in the right direction. Chapter 3. Avocado Toast. The Green Machine. Now, let's talk avocado toast. I know it's become a bit of a trendy breakfast, but trust me, this one's got substance behind the hype. We're talking about creamy, buttery avocado spread generously on a slice of whole grain toast. Avocado is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and more potassium than a banana. And don't let the word fat scare you. We're talking about the good kind of fat, monounsaturated fat, which can actually help to boost your metabolism and burn belly fat. Whole grain toast provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, so you don't get those mid-morning energy crashes. It's like the scaffolding that holds everything together. But here's the kicker. You can jazz up your avocado toast with a sprinkle of chili flakes for a metabolism-boosting kick, or a poached egg for an extra protein punch. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 4. Quinoa Breakfast Bowl, a South American superfood sensation. Let's shake things up with a South American superfood sensation. The Quinoa Breakfast Bowl. Quinoa is not your average grain. It's a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Muscle is key to a revved-up metabolism. We're building a flavor-packed bowl with a rainbow of veggies. Veggies are low in calories and high in fiber. Top it off with a perfectly poached egg. Chapter 5. Smoothie with spinach, banana, and protein powder. A breakfast blitz. Last but not least, we've got the Breakfast Blitz, a smoothie with spinach, banana, and protein powder. For those mornings when you're short on time but still want a nutritious breakfast. Start with a handful of spinach for iron and muscle efficiency. Add a banana for natural sweetness and potassium. Finish with a scoop of protein powder for fullness and muscle building. Enjoy your quick, nutritious breakfast on the go. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible breakfast options to supercharge your metabolism and set you up for a day of peak performance. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so don't skip it. Try out these recipes and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. See you next time.